what's this? You will pick.
Which one will we get, Jero?
Okay, we will. One is 100. One is 200.
Yes.
And then you will blindfold, ah. One is 300.
Jero, you choose the...
Wow!
Wow! Ano yun ah?
And then siguro one will have 500.
Ay, may isang 500.
No cheese, bro.
Okay.
Paano mo ba?
Nakakagat dito.
Okay. Pero we will put it on the, ano ba, para hindi.
Dapat po nakalog sa...
Kaya ganyan lang para. Okay. Sige.
Teka, Mateo.
Okay. Blindfold. Saan yung pwedeng pantali ng mukha?
Ah, kulang yung isa.
Oh, come na. So who goes first? Okay. Sige. And then we will gulo-gulo so that ano, hindi nila alam. Okay, sige. You point. Okay, you point. One.
Tayo, bakit may ganun? Alam na kita sa
Hindi niya. Oh, don't open pa. Don't open. Don't open. You open yung ano.
Mami, mami.
Next. Yay!
Siyempre, makapagpaan na. Makapalawan na yun. Diba?
Okay.
Okay, go na.
Oh, you choose na. You choose. I'll give you the 100.
Hindi naman yan. You choose. Oh, you choose. Get one.
Choose the ticket!
Don't open pa. Ano?
Hindi, mga ano yung kaloob. Eh, nato. Jeron mo na, buntot mo na.
You choose.
You choose it.
Gusto 100.
Gusto 100!
Sige, choose. Oh, you choose na.
This.
Ay, ito na.
Cake. Ma'am, your mama, after your mama.
You open later.
Later.
Go to your left. Ah!
Yan, okay na yan.
5, 6, 1, 1,
Yan, oh,
5, 1.
yan.
Ay, kinuha. Ay, hindi.
Walang kabayas-bayas.
Jake.
Si
Ay,
Shane.
Jake.
Mapagbabalik
You're
sa
next after Jake.
Ayun pa.
Hindi, talikod ka, Jeden. Talikod.
Oo.
Ano na yan?
Oo. Wait, sa akin pala ito. Wow, paldo.
Paldo ah.
Asan yung 500? Ano, napapasok naman yan.
Kabalato na.
Jake, ikaw naman.
Physics laging swerte.
Go, Jake.
Okay.
May taga-TPWA dyan.
Hindi, nandun. Uy, pagbalik ka rin niya. Dalawa sila. Okay.
Tasha na yun.
Mateo, where's Mateo?
Okay, so you open.
Oh, ready? Oh, guys ha, open ha. Unboxing. Ready? Go!
Wow, this one. Open na.
Ah! How much?
My money.
Dami pera ni Tita Kati. Times 4.
Wow, ang pinakamarami si Johan, 2.5.
Ganito.
Wow. Okay na?
Mami.
Oo.
I didn't need to. You put that in. This is yours. Mateo, this is yours.
Hindi.
I get this.
Settle down eh, Mami.
Oh, mami. Meron ba siya? Dalawa dapat yan.
Oh, picture kalat.
Dalawa yan. Ay, who's this?
If you don't picture kalat, babawiin. Si John na lang pala. John, lagi mo yung kimat mo. Meron kami tayo. Thank you. John, put your gifts here.
Kanina to. Di ka diyan.
Kay ano yan? Kay
Zik.
Zik. Aba kay Matmat. Wala si Matmat.
Dito sa akin.
O yung medyas nyo, guys! O yung medyas nyo pinag-alisan. Dali, lagay mo muna. Anong next program natin? Sasayaw na ba? Natay ko yung Opalite eh. Pick up your trash, please. Jaden, pick up the trash beside you. Kaninong socks to? Oo nga po. May just nino yan. Wala na yan, Tay. Wala na yan. May isa pa, oh. Kanina yan. Baka kay ano, kay J-Rod. Ay, Jacob. Ano next?
Are you familiar with the small gifts?
Yes!
We'll put gifts, small gifts in the little gift.
Okay.
Tapos, unahan kayo na magkukuha ng gift.
Wait, ha?
But you have to close your eyes first. Then when it go, you can open your eyes and look at it. Grab. Okay. No, isa kayo lang.
Kasama ka.
Look my money, Mom. No,
It's with me.
it's me.
Saka twin brother. Twin brother. Zero G. Saka zero G.
Oh, ready, ha? Ready. Close your eyes, ha? Close your eyes.
Magkulang na sa bata.
Ito. Ito. 3, 4, 5.
I'm struggling.
Ano na?
Kung yung pinabilang mo, ayun eh. Okay. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes pa tayo. Close your eyes.
I did.
No. Okay, close your eyes.
Ready?
Close your eyes.
One. Close your eyes. Ready?
Pre.
Okay. In 3.
Grab, ha?
Close your eyes.
Close.
1,
2, 3, go!
Just one.
Grab one only. Grab one. May salang. May salang.
Jake, open your eyes na. Just one.
This one.
Oh, there's one more.
I won. I win.
Okay, next. Sit down.
Next.
I win.
Next one, Z.
Close your eyes again.
Close your eyes.
Okay, close your eyes, boys and girls, please.
Boys and girls.
Okay,
I'm closing my eyes.
close your eyes. Okay.
Close your eyes.
Get it, get it.
Close your eyes.
Wait lang.
Jacob, put up your hands.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Go. Get set. Go.
Nice! One only one. One only.
Get the pink naman.
You're welcome. I'm getting home.
Close your eyes again.
Nice.
What's that? What's that?
Let me see.
You put your gadget or charger there.
Yeah, start the earth. Okay. Okay, close your eyes, boys and girls. Close your eyes,
Okay.
boys and girls.
This one you can get. Okay.
I want the blue one.
Close your eyes first.
Mandaraya.
I want the blue one.
Okay,
Get
okay.
two get two. Close your eyes. Ay, one muna pala, sorry.
One lang, one muna. One muna. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I got you were soft.
Okay, ready?
Wait, can you get two?
Ready?
Then one first, and then we will give you additional.
3, go.
Go, 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 go! One only, one. Jacob, one
Open
only.
your eyes.
One only. Ayun yung pair. Give the pair. Yeah. Where's the pair, Mateo? Where's Mateo's pair?
What's
Okay.
yours? What's yours?
I like the cookie one.
Cookie. How about you? How about you? What did you get?
Chicken and beer.
Chicken and beer. Ah.
Okay. Listen to the instructions. Close your eyes and then when I say go, when I say go, open your ano? One, close your eyes.
Close your eyes, boys and girls. Close your eyes.
Okay, ready? Get set, go!
Jacob, may isa lang.
Isa lang tama.
Yeah, when go, open your eyes.
Look up.
Wow. Baby shark yun, no? Bigyan mo kayo kay Jero, no? Baby shark.
Okay, go man.
Okay. Next, close your eyes, boys and girls.
Ay, wait.
Wear your socks.
I don't wanna wear this. Wear the socks.
Yeah, wear your socks.
Wear the funny socks.
Yeah, remove your socks na ngayon. Wear the funny socks. Go, go, go.
Wear the funny socks.
Go. Yeah, wear your funny socks. Ah.
That's so silly.
Yeah.
Si Baby Shark.
Another one, Mateo. Another one, Mateo. No, wear the funny one, the fish.
Tanggalin mo muna yung black.
One more. Wear the funny one. Mateo, ma. Wala ka ba ito?
May kulang siya. Love yung phone mo, huwag mong bitawan. Baka dumating yung grab. Or i-loud mo na lang. I-loud mo. Teka lang. Oh, clear the Clear the middle, please. Clear the middle. Close your eyes.
Bakit?
Close the eyes, everyone.
Oh,
Okay.
Is this yours, Jake? Is this yours?
Is this how you wear them?
Is this yours? No. Yeah, that's how we Close your eyes now. Boys and girls.
I'm putting on my socks.
This one, we're gonna put it together.
What?
Di pa si Jake. Wait lang. Di pa tapos si Jake. Okay. Oh yeah, ready? Close your eyes. Ready? Wait. Ready?
Ay, sige na nga.
Okay na yan.
One,
1, 2, 3,
go!
go! Open your eyes, Jake. Open your eyes. You can swap the other one if you
So
want.
this is, your face and then you can
Yeah.
wait, give it to me. Oh,
Ayan, oh. Yan yung stand. Oh, get your stand. With Tita Kay. You do it, ah.
This is mine.
Magandahan ng painting, ha?
Pencils pa lang.
Jake. Jake.
Yeah, I gave you
Baka pa. Hindi po pang ash. Bakit lang ash?
I got this one. This one.
Mister? Kaninong pen to? Do you have a pen? Ay, sa akin.
I don't like to go to Gago.
Okay, next, guys. Who wants more gift? Raise your hand.
Ay, wait lang.
Jacob, one lang.
You have one pen? You have one pen ba?
Kaya nga. Grab all eh.
Ready?
Close your eyes. Come here.
Zik, Zik, look. Zik. Wow. Close your eyes.
Go!
Go! One lang, one. Get one.
Look at this girl.
Si Shinchan niya eh, Shinchan.
Cellphone. Ay, cellphone na.
Oh. Nice. Shinchan.
Ganyan.
Ayun o, like Kuya Johan, look at Kuya Johan, oh, like that. Yeah.
You can play like a boy.
Already close your eyes, boys and girls.
Girls.
Put it here sa back. Go!
I want a white one. This will make me white.
Okay na. Meron pa isa oh.
Mr. Jiron.
Okay, close your eyes ba again? Meron pa ate? Okay, close your eyes, boys and girls.
You have your own. Jiron.
Oh, close your eyes. Oh, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go! Open your eyes, Jake. Open your eyes, Jake.
Hindi na kita ka.
You can swap it to the yellow. Swap it to the yellow.
I like strawberry. I win the strawberry.
Close your eyes.
Okay, done.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Ready? Go! Wow. What's that? Ano yan?
It's a toy.
Ali. Ah. Fidget. Ito.
No.
Atayo, borrow si Daddy. Daddy will borrow.
Kanina pa.
Jacob, one only. Ay.
Uh-oh, I farted.
Jiron.
Mateo, we're in video naman.
Chocolate.
Look at that.
Dami. There's more. Oh, ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? Woo! Wow.
Oh, let me see. I'll show you.
Paano?
Ay, ba't bang ano? Ang cute naman.
Paano? Ganun lang siya.
Let's go!
Oh, kasi yung mga sayo kinukuha ni Daddy.
Okay na, wala na?
No, no, no.
Wala na.
Pagalingan na ng Opaline.
One more gift.
Meron pa, oh, meron pa. Wow. Oh, one more guys. Ready. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Go.
Go! Open your eyes. Ayun pa. Give that to your brother. Give the other one to your brother. Grabe, daming gift. Sit down. Talaga naman.
And some stories.
The big guys get the same stuff. The small ones get a different one.
Yes.
Small guys first.
Me. I'm a small boy.
Jacob, you're a big guy na. You're not a small guy.
I'm a small boy.
Small boys only. Small boys.
This one.
Yeah!
You get to close your eyes for this one.
Big boys.
Boys and girls.
Wow.
Body spray.
Give that to Ate Tata. Kuya Jacob. No more akin.
Jake, can you put that there? Jake,
Lagay mo sa ano. Close your eyes. Ito na.
close your eyes, close your eyes.
Ito na. Ayan na. Close your eyes. Ready? Wait. Go! Labubo ba yan? Ay, si ano? Ay, sabi ko na nga ba eh. White flower. Kailangan ko to. Oo nga. Bago bumiyahe kuya. Hey daddy yan. Kay daddy. Good job.
Anong next?
Lasartan sa
Close your eyes.
Pero ka.
Ready? Go! Masakit to!
Ay, galing ah. Galing ka. Thank you.
Bumili ako nung minsan.
Parang masahista na lang kulang ah. Ay, wow. Mas use.
Sige, shakti mo na ng gusto mo.
Not pie. Lana, ang ganda ng lana. Hindi kasi.
Mom, my dad said
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I want to enjoy.
Oh!
Don't get that.
Sartan. Oy, bawal sa bata yan. Ay, bawal sa bata yan.
Parang natin natin ng ganito.
Ate, tell me sartan yung akin. Ay, high blood.
Ilan?
Mommy, you said you can only
Ilan ako ama?
one.
Dalawa.
Ilan
milligrams to mo eh? Uy, ilang milligram to? 100? 50 lang, 50. Bakit 5?
Kailangan natin ng...
Ano ba yan?
Mommy, this is so little.
Sama mo na ng, ano, ate, ng tukani.
May mga gamot na kayo, ba? Okay, mga gamot na kayo.
Ah.
See? Close your eyes. Yeah!
Thank you.
Let me more medicine. What is it?
Don't get that.
Pag tumas yung sugar. Thank you.
Mateo, give it to daddy.
Uy, meron pa.
May supot ah.
I'm gonna try.
Yes. Panulak mong gamaw.
Pikit pa!
This one.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, pikit na! Pikit
Ay,
na!
tukari.
Pikit!
Dutch win.
Pikit! Okay. Ang dami ni Paul, parang matiyo. Hey!
Black to.
Pag ano? Masakit ang lalamunan!
Ay! Yan. Ano pa kulang?
Meron na akong ganito.
I got the blue one.
Close your eyes. Close,
Parang
close.
buong Mary Mas ata to.
I want control.
Close your eyes.
Sino? Kaya tag tsaka Orahik.
Okay. Para sa mga mag-CCR at mag-detect.
Okay yan?
Open your eyes.
Ay, wow. Wait.
This is the winner is Mateo.
Wow, white. O, pwede na tayo mag-CR. Ano pa next? Ang hilod.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Dr. Kaufman.
Okay. Ito, kailangan natin ito. Vlog for travel. Open your eyes now.
Wow. Yun.
Ito naman.
By J6 ulit. Ay, social to ah. May keychain na pala by J6 na yun.
Yung support ni, support ni.
Oh, last. Close your eyes na last.
Kape, walang kape.
Ito ba? Ang support.
Last. Sige na, sige na. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! Yeah. Thank you.
Nasaan si
Ay, kulang na.
Ikaw hindi, kay ano?
wala na ano, yung ganun.
Medkit ah.
Very.
Kaya ng medkit. Band-aid, kulang! Walang band-aid. Ano?
I win.
Hindi naman sinabi ang alam ko oras lang yun. Di ba sa akin?
Para sa sport.
Late nila sinasabi.
Yung gatas ng studio.
I win.
That's big, that's big.
Sila ba?
Kaya lagay mo na dyan ang support ni.
Dab, follow up niyo na yung ano, burger natin.
Hindi. 11:50.
Anong oras na? Alas 11 na.
58.
Medianoche na.